What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I've got about 15 orders going out today between eBay and Amazon, and I'm going to tell you my opinion on eBay versus Whatnot, and we're also going to unbox my first couple buys from Whatnot that came in the mail. So if you want to see what I bought and what I paid, what I sold, and what they sold for, stay tuned. So if you're new here, my name's Dana. I'm a full-time reseller. Check me out on Instagram at Dana Invests. Check me out on Whatnot, Dana Invests. Speaking of which, tonight, 8 Eastern, maybe a little bit earlier, I'm running a bunch of t-shirts starting at $3 a piece, including an autographed NASCAR Casey Kane shirt. You don't want to miss that. If you're not signed up for them yet, check out down below. You get $10 free to spend if you sign up with my link. Anyways, let's take a look at what sold. So 3 pairs of these canvas khaki Crocs for $52 a piece on Amazon. Paid $20 for these on Amazon, so bought them on Amazon, reselling them on Amazon. Sold 2 of these Greenies supplements. Both sold for $24.99 a piece. Both were free. There was a price error that the Bread and Butter Cook group called out where these were free if you signed up for them. Well, not signed up. If you bought them on Amazon. I'm a little off this morning. Hopefully my camera angle is better, though. You don't see my weird, like, funky arm like the last video. I think I can see in the little screen on the GoPro that we're better already. Anyways, they were free. $25. Sold a sealed MacGyver, the complete first season. Ooh, my toes are in the screen. You don't want to see that. Sold MacGyver for $29.99. Paid $1 for that at a yard sale. Sold a Spanish language, Diagnóstico de Códigos, a transmission manual for $29.99, and I paid 65 cents for that at a yard sale. It's been a while since I've sold a transmission manual. I still have a lot of them left. This sold for $3 plus shipping, which was just horrible, but I need to unlist them all and just bundle all the churchy ones together. I sold this lot of 4 cassette tapes for $10. I have maybe a quarter into those from an estate sale. Sold Shrek 3D. I paid $1 for this at an estate sale on Friday, and it sold for $22.99 on eBay. Sold my last 2 Mosaic blasters. These were $29 at Target. Had a little discount, so they're right around that $29 sold for $50 each, so 50 and 50. Sold another hammock. These were $11 at Lowe's, and it sold for $30 plus shipping. Sold a pair of men's size 12 Crocs. I sent almost all of them. I kept like 3 here. I sent almost all the rest of them to Amazon, and man, these have been such a killer cook because they were $11. I paid $11 for those online, and I've had over 100 of them shipped to me. I shipped most of them back to Amazon, and I've already sold 3 today for $57 a piece on Amazon. So I got a little less for this because I kept a few, and I sold these for $44.99 on eBay. So I should have just sent them to Amazon because I would have got more money for them, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna take it out of here, but this is a Squish plush dog. If you saw a couple videos ago where I said I sold this plush for how much, this is just the dog version of the other one. The other one was a dragon. So I'll put it on the screen and show you what it sold for, because I'm literally just going to put a sticker right back over my address label on the other side and send it out. I'm not even going to open it. And then I sold the Learn to Machine Bind Your Quilts. There's 2 different DVDs right here. These were $1 a piece at Goodwill. They are brand new sealed, and I accepted an offer of $22.50 for the pair. So that's what sold. Not too much, you know, kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It's a Wednesday, so it's Wednesday. That's not horrible, right? Plus I've already sold, what is it, $350 on Amazon today. So, you know, if you count that into this, it's a whole lot better. And I've got my Whatnot tonight that's going to count into sales for today. But that's going to have to be later. That won't be on this video. I almost wasn't even going to make a video, but I wanted to shout out the... I'm a big fan of this Whatnot platform, and there's not enough people that know about it yet. So the more people that know about it, it's good and bad for me, and I'll explain that in a minute. So let me get this stuff packed, and then I'll show you the rest. All right, so I got it all packed up and shipped. That was probably the fastest packing session I've had in a long time because it just really wasn't as many packages as I normally do. But anyways, I've got 3 orders here that I want to show you guys. And I want to talk real quick, just, I guess we'll go for my first opinion, I guess, really, of Whatnot. So Whatnot versus eBay. And then we'll unbox this stuff. There's a drop going on over here in a minute that I got to keep a half eye on. But anyways, so I'm still going to sell most of my stuff on eBay and Amazon. That's not going to change, because if you want the highest price that you can get for certain items, then it's going to be better to go to somewhere like eBay or Amazon. If you want to move a lot of stuff quickly, then I think it's better for Whatnot. And so for the example, everything I'm going to show you right here is clothing. I bought a lot of clothing. I also bought some MetaZoo cards, they're over there, but that was just like a weird break kind of thing. And I never would have went to eBay to purchase a break of MetaZoo cards, never. But I was in a stream and it was $5, and I was like, whatever, $5, and I hit it. And that's the thing of Whatnot, is it's $5, and then you just touch it and it instantly buys it. There's no, do you want to confirm this, all that kind of stuff. It's your bid, well, you bid, and if you bid and you win, then you buy it. So I think that's great for buyers. I think that's great for sellers. And so like my auction tonight is going to be t-shirts, and I've got 50 plus t-shirts that are running. Now, if you had to sit down and measure, photograph 12 times, right? Because you're gonna want to use as many photos as you can. Take pictures of any flaw, describe it, fill out the 72 item specifics that eBay requires. It would take you 2 days to list all those, or maybe even just a full day if you really went after it. So what I'm planning on doing is starting them at $3, so I won't lose any money. I've got no more than $2 into any one of these shirts that I'm listing tonight. So worst case, I break even. Best case, anything that they bid above the $3, I make money. And I don't have to photograph them. I don't have to item specifics. I don't have to do any extra measurements or all that stuff. I'm just literally going to hold them up, show them on camera, start auction, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, whatever I decide to do. And then all 45 shirts will be sold tonight. All 45. I don't have to wait for a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 6 months or whatever it's going to take for the right buyer to come along for that shirt, because they're going to come to my stream. And there's going to be certain people that get a smoking deal. They're going to get a shirt for $3 that should sell for $20 or $30, which is what I did in these streams. Or they're going to say, that's a $30 shirt, I'm going to pay 10 or 15 for it. And personally, I would rather take the fast money on things like this, and then taking all these DVDs that I've got over here, or like the Crocs, right? You're not going to put Crocs on the app like that, or MacGyver DVD. So there's the right thing for the right platform. And if you're not selling on Whatnot and you're interested in more information, hit me up on Instagram. I'm happy to share what I can. Right now, I think it's a better buyer platform for you to go as a buyer and buy the items and get a good deal. If you find the right things, like a newer seller, someone who's trying to build feedback history, they're going to start their stuff a whole lot lower. Somebody who's got a following and good feedback history, their prices are going to be a lot higher. So you got to find the right stream and go from there. So right now, I'm a newer seller. You're going to probably get some deals if you come to my live tonight. Again, $10 bonus, free money to spend if you sign up down there. So anyways, that is my opinion on eBay versus Whatnot. Don't think eBay's going anywhere. Amazon's not going anywhere. Whatnot is just a more fun platform, and it is instant gratification, and you can interact with them, right? I didn't even talk about that part. There's a chat function. You could be bidding and chatting with other people against, hey, get out of my stuff, or leave it alone, or you're chatting with the seller and you say, hey, do you have any Misfits tees, right? And then they're going to say, oh yeah, I got some band tees. Let me show you what I got. And then they'll hold it up. And then again, it just makes it a whole lot more fun. So, all right, I've got 9 minutes. So I'm going to show you 2 of the things real quick. I'm going to pause, I'm going to go do this thing, and then I'll come back. So I'll show you the first one. You guys probably know this guy, Drew Thrifts and Flips. He is Profit Monsters on YouTube, but Drew Thrift and Flips sells on Whatnot, and I got this from him. And I signed up and I got my $10 credit, and it's on a Mad Engine Marvel tag, kind of cool. But just a huge all-over print. And I think after my credit that I spent, I paid $4 for this shirt. And this is a freaking awesome shirt for $4. Nice fade, nice flow. So very happy with that. And I was happy to support another reseller, YouTuber, Instagram, all that fun stuff. And that's another part of it, is you go support people that you want without paying a whole bunch of money. Because I think when I bought that, he said he had it listed on his Depop for like $30 or $40 or something like that. Let's see. Show you this one. Here is the invoice. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll come out. Purchase price, $1. $1 is what I paid for this. And if I can get it out of the pack, well, it's double packaged. I only bought one thing from this person because I jumped in at the end of their stream and I didn't know it. Normally you want to jump in towards the beginning or the middle so you have time to build up other items and get more of a bundle than just an individual item. I didn't know that when I bought Drew's thing, but everything that you buy, so like this one I paid $3 shipping for the shirt, so I paid $4 total for the shirt shipped. There's no way you could sell this shirt for $4 shipped on eBay. You wouldn't make any money, but I was able to pay $4 shipped for this shirt on Whatnot. And anything after that first item that you buy on Whatnot, as a buyer, it's only $1 shipping. As a seller, that's awesome too, because you can get burned through a bunch of stuff, because if they've already bought one or two things from you, now they're more invested to buy a second or third thing from you. So anyways, this is on a Gildan tag, SpongeBob, and for $4, it's for Virginia Beach. Says right down there, SpongeBob, Virginia Beach, Gildan tag, for $4 shipped. That's crazy. That's crazy. $4 shipped. Maybe I'll give it away. Should I give this away in my Whatnot tonight? I don't know. I thought it was cool. So anyways, I've got a big box. I don't want to pause in the middle of doing this big box. I'm going to go hit this drop and I'll be right back. All right, this one came from Forward Flips. He's Forward Flips, well, it's him and his girlfriend on YouTube. It's just Forward Flips for him, but it's Forward Flips on Whatnot, and it's him and his girlfriend that sell on there. And they had a live show, and me and a couple buddies went on and bought a whole bunch of stuff from them. So anyways, I've got a whole box that we got. So let's see. We've got a thank you note, where you can find him, Forward Flips. Thanks for supporting our business. Hopefully that shows up all right on there. And her, she is Bougie Finds. So anyways, that was kind of cool. He told me he sent an extra little bonus gift in here, so that's got to be what's on top. Come on. He bubble wrapped it like crazy. Good for him. And we got a Superhero Smashers Iron Man. So he gave me a little bonus thing for buying a bunch from them. Appreciate that. And yeah, that's my order list for this one. And let's see, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, $64 is what I spent on this box. $64 is my total all in, and I'll show you everything that I got. So we got 2 hats, Philadelphia Flyers. We got this one, and it has a little pin on it, and then this one right here, it is a fitted hat. It's a small youth hat, so youth fitted, and then a strap back, adjustable strap back there. This one is American Eagle. It's like a little jean dress kind of thing. It's open. So buttons down the front, little jean dress. We've got a New with Tags Juicy Couture hoodie. And it's got the little zebra stripe down the sides, but New with Tags Juicy Couture. Let's see. Oh, this was Subaru. New with Tags Subaru jacket that I got right here. Well, it's not a jacket. It's more of like a little pullover, but New with Tags. I remembered that one. ×2. I got 2 of those. Let's see. This is Obey jeans. So they're kind of like the little rip front Hopefully that'll show up all right on there. And then rip pocket kind of look. I think I paid like $2 for these. Let's see. I got a Vamos Nike tee. Vamos wrestling tee. So kind of cool there. And then I got 2 of these new with tags Eddie Bauer like little sweater deals. And if I recall correctly, yeah, you know, it's never always right, but $99 new with tag Eddie Bauer ×1 and ×2. So my personal opinion is that I'm going to list both of these for probably $50 plus shipping. So $50 a piece plus shipping on those. I'll get my entire investment out of this box on just those 2 items and then some profit. And everything else I showed you is the profit from this box. So anyways, I don't know. Tell me, what do you think? How did I do? And if you're interested in following any of these other people, go check them out on Whatnot or YouTube. I already hopefully put their channel, or maybe I'll link it down below. But anyways, I've got to finish getting this stuff shipped and off. I want to get the office and everything all set up for my Whatnot later today. Again, if you're interested, $10 sign up link down below. If you haven't signed up and started doing something for your retirement yet, I'm going to throw an extra bonus. If 3 people, it's got to be at least 3 people, sign up for my Webull link down below and then message me on Instagram that you did it, I will pay the first 3 people who do it $10 Venmo, PayPal, whatever you want, as soon as your account funds, and I get my 5 bonus free shares of stock. So basically I'll be just giving you my bonus back. But if you're interested in that, the first 3 people that do it, there's a link down below. You get 5 free shares of stock just for signing up for it. And I'm going to send you $10, Venmo, PayPal, whatever you prefer. So anyways, if you're interested in that, do it. Hit me up again at Dana Invests on Instagram. And really appreciate you guys hanging out for the video today. Hopefully it was fun. Hopefully I see you later tonight on my Whatnot. And with that being said, happy sales. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace.